Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the hardware and initial settings so the split works reliably. First, verify the monitor or TV supports half display or picture-by-picture, and that both sources match resolution and refresh rate. Connect the primary cable to the left input and the secondary to the right, using adapters if necessary. Once done, power both devices and open the monitor OSD. Navigate to the input or split screen menu to activate the half display option and choose left/right source assignments. Once the half display is active, you'll configure detailed settings to make both sides usable. Open the monitor's layout controls and pick the half screen profile, then assign each input to the correct side. Next, adjust scaling and overscan so text and UI elements are not cut off. Use the GPU control panel to set exact resolutions and scaling modes for each source. Make sure cursor capture and focus behavior match your workflow, and test moving windows between halves to confirm alignment and responsiveness. To finish, save your monitor profile and run a full workflow test so you catch issues early. Check audio routing and any remote controls to ensure the correct side responds. Make adjustments in the monitor OSD and GPU panel, and then save. If one side shows black screen or flicker, restart both sources and the display to re-establish the handshake. If problems persist, swap cables or force identical resolutions and refresh rates. That single troubleshooting step fixes most half-display mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.